Nice and sunny. I think I might pull into the parking lot up ahead. I think I want to check out my helmet and see what the heck is rubbing on my face. Oh, actually, here's a parking lot. And let's get in here. And let's stop. I want to check out my helmet. Check out the, see what the heck is rubbing on my face. All right, let's do a walk around the bike. So it's a Suzuki s40 Boulevard, and had to replace that front left foot peg. There's a cover missing right in here. That's missing on this side, and it's missing on the other side. It's got aftermarket front turn signals right here. They used to have the type that come out on the side. On the back, we've got, I think, pretty much stock turn signals. I replaced those lens caps, kind of rigged it a little bit. Got a seat cover I put on. It's an aftermarket exhaust pipe, and I put that heat shield on there that's kind of looking ratty, falling apart. There's also another missing top cover that's supposed to go here. So those OEM parts are kind of expensive. I think those are like $100 just for those covers. It'll look better. So what I've done to the bike after I got it, I replaced both tires. So there's new tires on there. I put that exhaust wrap on there. I put that heat shield on there. It didn't have a heat shield, and it melted the hell out of my right boot. And I replaced the throttle cable. These are new mirrors, and I also put on the windscreen. So those are all the things I've done so far. I think it would look better with those covers on the top of the engine on each side. This right foot peg looks a little bent, so it almost looks like maybe someone who previously had this maybe laid it down on the right side. So yeah, I did replace that left foot peg.